Your screen is visible. You can start. You can unmute.
Am I audible? Can I start, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Good evening, my dear professional colleagues. I am Sai Subhash. I am from Chennai. Today, in my 10 minutes, I am going to use an Power Automate AI tool for processing, drafting, and creating documents in Microsoft Word. We have been seeing this image in my PPT. Each and every one of us would have different understanding from this image. I will share my experience, my understanding about this image. Here, a person is moving a one step forward in achieving his goal or an idea. So it is very essential get an to get a character for effective and efficient utilization of time. More often, we get occupied with the tedious tasks in our office, like sending the reminders to the client, etc. But nowadays, it all are automated by using the Power Automate. Even in my articleship, during the initial days, we used to send the reminder mails, and I would take around half a day for sending this reminder mails to the client. But in the recent years, we have been automated by using the Power Automate. So the reminder mails are being sent automatically by the Power Automate, and there is no human intervention in sending the reminders to the client. So today, I'm going to show how to draft the deed and letter by using the Power Automate in Microsoft Word. Now, what is Power Automate? Power Automate is an AI tool which is developed by Microsoft for automating the processes within an application. Now, let us move on to the live demonstration of Power Automate. So, this is the Power Automate application made available by the Microsoft for desktop version. So, I have already created two flows for drafting the partnership deed and a GST authorization letter. So let us move on to see what I have done for drafting the partnership deed. So this software is available to all the Microsoft 365 subscribers. So by the time it is loading, I will show my document, which the Power Automate is going to process and give me the final output file. So my final output file will be saved in this folder. So there is no other files in this folder. But Power Automate, using its own power, is going to generate a Word document by saving a partnership deed in that folder. Now, this is the simple partnership deed which the Power Automate is going to prepare by from the commands given by me. So there is a date, which I have already given as a command in Power Automate. You can see. Totally, I have given 15 commands to the Power Automate to prepare my document. First one is to open the Word file, which I have stored in the use cases, that is partnership deed. So first, this Power Automate will open the file, and then in place of the deed date, it is going to substitute with 19th date of April 2024. Likewise, for the partner one, which I have shown here, for partner one, it is going to put the name as Sunil, and for partner's father name. So, and for the firm's name, it is going to, for F name, it is going to substitute the firm name as SA and Co. And for the firm address, it is going to substitute a address which I have given as input. And at last, it is going to save a Word document in the specific format, that is in use case output path, it is going to generate a new file known as Power Automate Partnership Deal. That is, I will open the output folder. In use case output folder, it is going to generate a new Word document known as Power Automate Partnership Deal. Let us run this flow. So we can see how much time it is taking to run this program. So since I have opened the store, I need to close this Word document. For it to so it is running in the background by preparing the Word document. So within the 30 seconds, it has prepared my document in the use case output folder, Power Automate Partnership Deal. Now let us open and see what it has done. Now we can see that in the place of D date, it has substituted 19th date of April 2024. And in place of P1 name, Sunil, and in place of partner one father, it has substituted Arun. Likewise, it has changed the age of the partner one and address of the partner one. And even we can see F name, in place of F name, it has changed the firm's name, and it also given the firm's address, which I have given here as an input. You can see what I have given here as input has also been changed in the firm's address. Likewise, it is also shown the effective date in which the partnership will be commenced. And the profit sharing ratio also I have given as a PR ratio, which it has substituted in the place of partners profit sharing ratio. And at last, it has given the signature of partner where I have mentioned as P1 name and P2 name. It has substituted with the partner's name. And at last, there will be the cover page of the partnership deal where I have given as Mercer's F name and for the date, D date, which it has substituted with the new name. Let us move on to the another example which I have prepared for this one. So first one is drafting the partnership deed and second one is drafting the authorization letter. So when a partnership firm is formed, first just to take the partnership deed and get the signature and
Last
apply
two
for
minutes
PAN.
remaining.
And another and the next job is to apply for the GST registration. For that, I have taken the link from the partnership deed comments and given the link to this GST authorization letter. First, shall we see what I have given the in partner, sorry, in GST authorization letter. Let me see what we have given. So first, I have prepared the letterhead, firm name, firm address, firm mobile number, F email, in letter date, LETTER date. So F name, P1. Likewise, I have given all the symbols. Now I need to run the program with the same commands. So for GST authorization letter, I have done here. Now I will run this. Let us see. Now you can see the status. First, it is preparing the deed. Next, it will be process, that is running the commands. At last, it will give the output file. Now, not running means the word is generated. Now we can see in this folder, that is Power Automate GST authorization letter. It is automatically done with the help of Power Automate. Now, in place of F name, it has already substituted with SA name. Registered address is done. Contact number, email ID. So everything is done with the help of Power Automate. So using Power Automate will definitely save our time in our day-to-day life and enhance our practice. So I will conclude my session. Thank you for giving me this opportunity